I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We have a great Snap-on Smile case today showing how you can actually close gaps and make the teeth look bigger. So we're going to go ahead and show you the appliance. Here's the patient's model of her teeth, and there are spaces. She didn't like the spaces, so we went ahead and fabricated a Snap-on Smile to fit directly over her existing teeth, closing the gaps, making the teeth wider and much more symmetrical. We're going to go ahead and show you her reaction and also how it looks in her mouth. Go ahead and smile. Go ahead and open just a little bit. So you would think her teeth look really nice, but there's little gaps and you hate the gaps. And so we are closing the gaps. Yes, orthodontics would be the best solution, but due to finances or just time in her life, she wasn't ready for that. We also whitened your teeth, correct? So we've whitened your teeth. So we've whitened her, the lowers and the uppers, and then we created the Snap-on only for the upper appliance. So we're going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. All right, we're going to go ahead and place the appliance in. Go ahead and open. Again, didn't like the gaps. This is what the appliance looks like. There's no holes. We've already adjusted the bite. Open big. It fits directly over her existing teeth and snaps over. So we're going to go ahead and snap it in. I want you to take a look at how well the margins fit along the gum line. They honestly look like she just got veneers. Yes, the teeth are joined together, but you really can't tell, and it matches beautifully. Bite down. We've gone ahead and adjusted her bite. She can speak, and she will be able to eat with these. So we are going to show you how what her reaction is. All right, now you haven't seen them, correct? And you're excited?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, all right, turn that mirror over, young lady.
Oh my God, they're so nice. They really are. Oh my God, there's nothing. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
They're beautiful.
Yes.
They're beautiful.
They
Honestly,
look so good. They look so good.
This is probably.
They look really good.
I know.
They
right?
look really good.
I know. Give me 5.
This
is
really
probably
good.
like one of my favorite cases.
They
I'm
look
like,
really
it's like
good.
Amazing. I get so excited. I mean, these are really pretty.
Yeah.
They're gorgeous. They nailed it.
Yeah.
They nailed it. I mean,
They
they
did.
look. Smile into that camera. They really almost look like she had veneers done. This is how good these are, and they're getting better and better and better. The lab rocks. So you're happy?
Yes, I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
Is
Thank
exactly
so
what
much.
you wanted?
Yes, it's
All
exactly
right,
what
this is
I
why
wanted.
we do what we do. What a great reaction, and she's ecstatic, and she can't stop looking in the mirror. We're just excited. So I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. I always say veneers can change your smile, but Snap-on Smile can change your life. Thanks for watching.